Now I am going to upload this letter on my YouTube channel also. I hope you will pay due attention to this letter because the question is very serious, and devote your precious time in listening this letter. An open letter to the Chief Justice of India from a farmer's son. All is not well on this stinking earth, my lord. Apparently, it is only one life of Jagjit Singh Dallewal, a farmer leader, is at the stake. But in reality, it is the lives of the lakhs of farmers that are on the threshold of death. Nearly 7 lakh farmers have already committed suicides in an unequivocal response to the recent directions of Honorable Division Bench of the Supreme Court. Dallewal stated that the lives of 7 lakh farmers are more important than his own life. He is an experienced and well-educated farmers leader. He has been working for the betterment of the toiling masses for more than 4 decades. To sacrifice one's life for a common cause is not everybody's cup of tea. He has taken this extreme step of fast unto death when all the channels of peaceful protest were blocked by the central government in collaboration with the State Government of Haryana. Using brutal methods of repression leading to the death of 23-year-old young man Kisan Singh Ballu. More than 30 farmers have lost their lives and hundreds of them were injured seriously during the recent agitation being run at Shambhu and Khanauri borders of Punjab and Haryana. Dallewal has been leading the farmers' agitation along with others since February 13, 2024. Previously, after a 13-month-long agitation by the farmers, the Government of India had withdrawn 3 anti-farmer laws in December 2021. Having granted their genuine demands, including the legal guarantee of MSP, however, nearly 3 years have gone, the government has not translated its promises into practice. It's a glaring example of breach of faith. That's why the farmers once again decided to knock the door of the central government to remind its previous promises. They started their tractor trolley march on February 13, 2024. From Punjab, led by Samyukt Kisan Morcha non-political and Kisan Mazdoor Morcha. In February 2024, the government held 4 rounds of meetings with farmer leaders in which the Chief Minister of Punjab Bhagwant Singh Man participated as a mediator. After February 18, the government adopted totally indifferent attitude toward the genuine demands of the farmers in spite of the fact that the 2 committees, one was formed by the Parliament and the other one by the Honorable Supreme Court, have submitted that the legal guarantee of MSP should be given to, on the crops, the farmers. The real root cause of the present problem lies in the adamant attitude of the central government. That should be taken into account. However, the whole focus has been shifted somewhere else. The honorable judges taking up the present case on farmers' agitation are issuing instructions to the Punjab government to take care of Dallewal's health. They have gone to the extent of doubting even the intentions of the other farmer leaders attending him in present situation. The farmer leaders, on their part, have stated that no doubt his life is valuable, rather most valuable for the farmers. But why has he taken this extreme step? Who forced him to do so? What is he saying on the deathbed? They are regretting that all these questions and their answers are missing in the proceedings of the Honorable Supreme Court. They were expecting that the Honorable Supreme Court will intervene in the matter and issue instructions to the central government to grant the genuine demands of the farmers. However, the recent instructions of the Supreme Court have shocked not only the farmers' leaders, but the vast masses also. They are criticizing the Honorable Supreme Court in the public meetings. Farmer leader Jagjit Singh Dallewal himself has gone to the extent of criticizing the Supreme Court. He said that, unfortunately, the court has taken sides with the government. Sir, it's a matter of serious concern. In such a critical and vulnerable situation, if the common people lose their faith in the institutions of justice, it may lead to serious consequences for the democratic setup of our country, because we claim that India is the biggest democracy in the world. Sir, Swami Nathan Commission has not formed by the peasants. It was formed by the central government itself in 2004 and gave its comprehensive report in 2006. Now, it's not a crime of farmers who are demanding, if the farmers are demanding that the central government should implement its recommendations on farmers' issues. If the recent committees on farmers' problems formed by the Honorable Supreme Court as well as the Parliament are saying the same thing, it is a strong justification of the genuine demands of the farmers. All these facts and evidence places the central government in the dock. The suppression of logic by power leads to serious social eruptions. It is a truth supported by historical evidence. Tomorrow, the deadline set by the Honorable Supreme Court for Punjab government to hospitalize Jagjit Singh Dallewal is going to an end. So I have no soft corner toward the government of Punjab. And I may be mistaken in the assessment of the present situation prevailing at Kanori border. Still, it seems to me that in case the Honorable Court's order is implemented in practice, it will lead to long-term serious ramifications for the common people of Punjab. It might give some fatal psychological wounds to the people of Punjab, the recovery of which will be impossible. They have suffered a lot, lost a lot in 1984. No recovery. Have only terrible memories of tragic nightmares still lurking in their minds. All this was a product of a single wrong decision taken by the then Prime Minister, Mrs Indira Gandhi. Please intervene immediately, lest it is too late. A humble request from a farmer's son, Jagjit Singh Dallewal. Thank you.